Hey, Amanda and my man, Alex, come on in and welcome to greenbronxmachine Boulevard in the National Health, Wellness, and Learning Center. We are 4 stories up in a 100-year-old building in the middle of public housing, and we are dedicated to an educational revolution because we can change the way children eat, live, and learn, and change outcomes in this and future generations. So come on, let me show you. On this side, in a formerly abandoned, underutilized library, we redid the floors, put in soft lighting, put in mobile furniture, and have this amazing classroom that houses 32 students, complete with a Promethean board, living fish tanks, living ecosystem, all kind of data sensory equipment, and guess what? It's all on wheels. Right here we have our Hall of Fame, and one day, boys and girls, you'll be there too. Wow, and on this side is our garden. So we grow enough food here to grow 100 bags of groceries a week for kids, 4 stories up using 90% less water and 90% less space. Back there on our grow rack, we grow 400 heads of leafy greens. This room is also net positive on food and energy, and here we have bicycle power blenders that power TVs, that power lighting, that power just about everything you can imagine. We grow it, we process it, and what do we do here? Well, tell them about it, Johnny. We cook it, that's right, at the greenbronxmachine mobile classroom and kitchen. This is a food truck on wheels for 1/10 the cost and no exhaust, and it is the power of public education and locally grown education to transform minds, lives, schools, and outcomes in public housing.
Phenomenal.
Si se puede.
Si se puede. Phenomenal. Amanda Neshua, future senator. Stephen Ritz.
Future president.
Future president. And we're not joking, Stephen Ritz, you are an inspiration to about every single green revolutionary out there, and we can't thank you enough. This is yet again another amazing opportunity. We can't, if you're gonna look someone up, look up Stephen Ritz, Si se puede. Massive positive green. Stephen, thank you for your time. Amanda, we love you.
Absolutely. I'm Steve Ritz, and I approve your message. So get out there and support the mission.
Awesome.
Si se puede.
Si se puede.